An annual tradition is returning to our TV stations, Sounds of the Season with the Binghamton Youth Symphony. This special holiday concert was taped at Binghamton's West Middle School last month after taking a year off due to the pandemic. News Channel 34 will be airing it several times on both our ABC and NBC stations over the holidays. On Christmas Eve, it will air in place of our news on both stations at 6 and 11 p.m. On Christmas Day, we will broadcast the special at 1 o'clock on WIVT and at 7 o'clock on WBGH. On Sunday, the 26th, the concert will air at 1:30 on WIVT. And on New Year's Day, Sounds of the Season will be broadcast at 2 o'clock on WBGH and again at 4:30 on IVT. The Binghamton Youth Symphony is now in its 60th season of promoting and enriching the musical education of young people in the Southern Tier.